Hi, I'm Hannah Schroeder, Senior Customer Success Lead for Healthcare at Realityworks. I'm a registered nurse, certified nurse educator, and certified healthcare simulationist with extensive experience developing and facilitating simulation-based learning to enhance clinical education and workforce readiness. This ECG simulator from Realityworks gives your students true hands-on practice with ECG placement and rhythm interpretation using the same style of electrodes and rhythms they'll see in real healthcare settings. It's designed specifically for secondary and post-secondary health science programs, so you can confidently teach fundamentals of electrocardiography while preparing students for certifications like the Certified ECG Technician exam. Understanding ECGs is a critical clinical skill because electrocardiograms help healthcare professionals recognize life-threatening arrhythmias, monitor cardiac status, and make timely treatment decisions that can save lives. It fits seamlessly into high school health science pathways, allied health programs, nursing programs, EMT and paramedic programs, and medical assisting courses. By building ECG skills early, you're not only improving classroom engagement, you're also developing safer, more confident future members of the healthcare team. Each ECG simulator package includes everything you need: a durable torso for palpation-based lead placement, a tablet with ECG software, multiple lead sets, electrodes, student workbooks, rhythm flashcards, and a ready-to-use curriculum with 2 to 3 hours of instruction. This simulator stands out because students learn to place leads using rib palpation and identification of anatomical landmarks, just like they will in clinical practice. The software gives instant feedback on placement accuracy and lets them practice reading 3, 4, 5, and 12 lead rhythms in both practice and assessment modes. It's an award-winning, one-of-a-kind solution educators have recognized as a best of STEM resource for ECG training. Setup is simple. Choose your power source using the switch on the simulator, then connect the tablet to the simulator with the included USB cable. Turn on the tablet, tap the ECG Simulator app, and wait a moment while the connection is established. When the student menu appears, you're ready to select practice or assessment mode. In practice mode, you choose which lead setup you want students to work with. Then, connect the matching lead set to the simulator. As learners palpate rib landmarks and place electrodes, each on-screen lead icon turns from gray to red to green, so they can see exactly which leads still need adjustment. Once all leads are placed correctly, the app displays rhythm strips and a sequence list, allowing you to step through rhythms in order or in random practice. With this simulator, students can practice multiple lead configurations using one torso. Start with a simple 3-lead setup to introduce concepts, then progress to 4 and 5 lead monitoring configurations as their skills grow. When they're ready, move to full 12 lead placement, where learners palpate ribs to position V1 through V6 correctly, and then recognize and interpret more complex patterns from multiple views. Instructor controls are built right into the tablet app. Tap the Realityworks logo to access the admin menu, where you can select which rhythms to include, drag them into a custom sequence, randomize order, or reset to factory defaults. In assessment mode, students move through rhythm sequences using the previous and next buttons and record their interpretations on paper or digitally via your learning management system or an electronic form, giving you easy evidence of competency. The included curriculum offers approximately 2 to 3 hours of ECG content, including presentation slides, student activities, pre- and post-assessments, and tools for practicing atrial and ventricular dysrhythmias and heart block dysrhythmias. Consider projecting the tablet's rhythm display for whole classroom discussions or small group activities. Consider using flashcards for quick checks and easily integrate the simulator into your existing health science units without starting from scratch. Educators report that this ECG simulator is easy to operate provides real feedback on student lead placement, and truly enhances rhythm interpretation skills. Whether you teach high school health science or pre-licensure nursing, this one solution can engage your learners, build confidence, and strengthen ECG competency. Visit realityworks.com or contact your local account manager today to explore how the ECG simulator can elevate your healthcare programs.